So the last person that was here, I think they were here for a while. It's got a lot of like mushroom stamp. I think they were mushroom picker. They did a big stash of wood, which I thought it was all wet, but it doesn't seem too bad. I don't do that very often, making a fire first thing in the morning. So I just moved here last night. It is a little bit dirty. I did saw like everything last night. It was a little bit dark. It's got mushroom stamp everywhere, but here it's beautiful. I'm surprised that last night I had a mouse inside the van. I don't know if she left. I don't know what happened. Kelly didn't catch it. But with all the stuff outside here, I'm surprised that she decided to come inside. Probably because it was warmer. So this morning I just want to make a little sweet breakfast. I've been craving that. That's why I'm making That's why I'm making a fire the first thing in the morning. For a free campsite, some people put a lot of effort. It's got like some stairs here, that whole pile of wood that some people came and put there. Yeah, I have a feeling some people come here a little bit more than than just for one night. So today I want to make, this morning, apple crumble. I know it's supposed to be a dessert, but it's apple, it's oatmeal, like it's pretty much breakfast, okay? It will be breakfast today. So I only have 2 apples, and I'm thinking like because of the size of my Dutch oven, it's gonna be like maybe the ratio is not gonna be good. But I just thought about that right now, so we're gonna have to deal with it. Because we need some kind of butter. I found this pan-based vegan butter. This is the first time that I'm gonna try this one. I'm curious. The wind really pick up. It feels like it's gonna snow, guys. Ooh, it's cold. And I lost my glove to play in a campfire. Maybe I left them in my previous place, so I might go back later on and try to see if they're still there or if I can find them. So the top could be a little bit more on the crispy side, but I didn't really have that much like tools and stuff to put the chark on top of the cast iron. So, but I'm sure it will be good. All right. I was supposed to make some ice cream, like banana ice cream, if you know what it is, but it's too cold. Oh yeah. This is exactly what I was dreaming all night long. And I was like, tomorrow morning I'm gonna have apple crumble. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright, I think me and Kitty is gonna go explore that little trail there. She didn't go really outside that much today, and I think we're gonna spend the rest of the day inside. My fire is pretty much done. I don't have any dry wood, only the wood that's there, and it's not really good enough, so I think that's gonna be it for today. And it's cold, guys, I'm telling you. We find a little memorial. Hi, Joe. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna go try to find my gloves that I left in another site, see if they are still there, and I'm gonna let you with Miss Kitty, who's in the smoke right now. Will you stay there? You gotta smell smoky. You're gonna be all smoky, Kitty. Can we have a little kiss? Can we have a little kiss? Like, no. I'm outside right now. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.